welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new video. And in today's video we are going to review the Horlicks Women's Plus nutritional drink for women. This is a special nutritional drink only for women, specially designed for women here who are above the age of 30, because after the age of 30 women start losing their bone density minerals, and which is what makes their bones weak. So getting your daily calcium requirement is very essential, and that not only getting the calcium requirement but making sure that that calcium is absorbed by the bones is also very vital, right? That's why here is Horlicks Women's Plus, which is a nutritional drink specially made for women, and which here specifies that it provides the person who's taking it with 100% of their calcium RDA requirements. Also, it provides for 100% RDA of vitamin D and K2, which are very important for calcium absorption in the body. So today we are going to review this product. So let's start with the review. So guys, this is the Horlicks Women's Plus nutritional drink here that I have in my hand, which I have actually bought for my wife. So this is the chocolate flavor. So let's start off with the packaging of the product. The product comes packaged in a very nice looking bottle here, right? And right here we have the Horlicks branding. Right on top is the Horlicks branding, and here is the Women's Plus branding right across the body of the bottle, we can see here. Then here we can see something called as Calseal, which is a bone nutrition specialist, written here. So basically this nutrition drinks helps to retain the calcium in the bones, and it provides nutrients for stronger bones for women, right? Here is the flavor mentioned. It is the chocolate flavor. This same drink is also available in caramel flavor. Now the USP of this nutrition drink is that it provides 100% RDA of calcium, 100% RDA of vitamin D and vitamin K2, and it has zero added sugar to it. So there's no added sugar in it, which is amazing. Now coming to how to make this Women's Horlicks, is basically you just need to add 30 grams of this Horlicks powder to a cup of warm milk, which is about 3 spoonfuls of the tablespoon that you add to the cup, which is around 30 grams here, and just stir it well, and there's your Horlicks nutrition drink ready. Like having it daily once or twice is a good thing, because it will help you to it will provide your body with the 100% calcium RDA which your body might be lacking. So it will provide you with 100% of calcium RDA requirements of your body. Also it will provide with 100% RDA for vitamin D and vitamin K2. Moving on to the net weight of the product. The net weight of the product is 400 grams, and the price of the Women's Horlicks is rupees 299. Rupees 299 for 400 grams, which is 1 rupee short of rupees 300. Here it is a green cereal based beverage. It's a vegetarian product, 100% vegetarian product, so very simple here. Moving on to the shelf life of the product. The shelf life is 12 months from packaging. So here they have mentioned the shelf life of the product, which is 12 months from packaging. And here they are given all the nutritional benefits or the nutrition facts of this product here. So it provides for bone health, it's a good source of energy, it helps in release of energy, vital nutrients for blood health as well are part of this amazing nutritional drink for women here. So guys, this is Horlicks Women's Plus, which is specially made for women, and specially made for women above the age of 30 who are more prone to losing the bone density minerals in their body, and this will make sure that your bones are strong, right? Because healthy bones is something which will prevent further issues in life like knee joint pain or back pain and all the bone related issues. It will help you prevent all of that. So guys, here this bottle is a simple twist to open cap. It opens up like this. You can see the product is sealed again using a silver foil here. You just need to open it and then just add tablespoons of it to 200 ml of milk. Stir it well and enjoy a cup of nice Horlicks nutritional drink. So guys, this was my review about the Horlicks Women's Plus chocolate flavored drink which I bought for my wife. She really liked the flavor. She has been having it for quite some time now. For I think last 2 years she has been having this, and she hasn't been feeling the tiredness and stuff after that. Like, this gives her a good start to her mornings, and it's an amazing drink which she likes. So hence I took time to make sure that I review this product and tell you all the information about it. So guys, if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.